Silence. So a couple of years ago, in a private party, the former Prime Minister of USA, Barack Obama, had said that if every nation of the world run by the women, then we're gonna see a significant positive changes in our society, living standard and outcomes. Well, Obama's statement may not be the practical one because the leadership researcher who have the decade of data from actual leaders to support this. So hello everyone, welcome to my presentation, and today I'll be talking about leadership. So first of all, I'd like to introduce myself before all of you. So as you already know me very well, that my name is Mohammad Rahat Hussain. I'm a student of English department at University of Scholars, and right now I'm about to finish my 5th semester, and I am doing this presentation as a requirement to complete a course called Poetry from Dryden to Well, facilitated by Shafinaz. So as I already said, that today I'll be talking about leadership, but I'm not going to talking about the whole leadership thing, rather than I will stick on a very specific topic. And this is a really argumentative one. So my today's presentation topic is women are better leaders than men. So why I choose this topic? First of all, I think this is a really interesting topic to talk about, as well as this is a little bit of controversial as well. And I like controversy to talk about. And no, this is not the only reason. I think in 2022, does it really matter that we should talk about who can be the better leader, men or women? I don't think so. So why not just talk about this for the last time and finish the chapter? Here is my stand. Women are better leaders than men. Am I agree with this statement or not? Well, I am not 100% agree with this statement, because as a man, if I say that women are better leaders than men, it will be so disrespectful for all the men who are trying to be a good leader, right?
Yes.
So imagine how it could be that one of my male friend is trying to be a good leader, and I went to him and tell him that you cannot be a good leader because you are a man. It is so mean. So I am not 100% agree with this statement, but I do believe that women have some extraordinary skill, that they are far away from men, and in terms of this, they can be a better leader than men. So and why I say that, here is some point that I have noted down. First of all, women tend to be more transformational leaders than men. Well, I use the word transformational. Well, according to a research done by Stanford University of California, and they have said that women perform better in a critical situation than men. That means that women can take better decisions in a critical situation than men. And this is not I am saying, this is the research done by California Institute of America. So then, my next point is, women are better influencers. Well, the word influencer I have mentioned in the slide. I am not talking about those social media influencers who upload TikTok video all the day. No, I am not talking about them. I am talking about them, the real influencer who can influence someone by their word, by their action. And if you want to be a good leader, you need to influence someone by your word, by your action, right? So I think in that case, women are better influencers than men. And my other point is, women have better management skill. Well, this is my own personal point of view, that women have some kind of inbuilt management skill they are upbringing with. Look, they need to manage their home, at the same time they need to manage their workplace as well. So they have quite a good management skill, I think. So in that case, I think women have better management skill than men, and if you want to be a good leader, you need to have a better management skill. So my whole point of view is, if you are a woman and you want to be a good leader, there are plenty examples you can find around us. Just think about that. Not only our Prime Minister is a woman, not only the opposition party, the head of opposition party is a woman, not only our education minister is a woman, the head of the parliament is a woman. The women are basically everywhere, they are running in every sector. about our university, or even you can think about our department. In our department, we have 7 faculty, and 4 of them are women. Why? Because they are more deserving. So my point of view is women can do better, but I'm not saying that women are better leaders than men. So these are the skills that I have mentioned. But one challenges that I have noticed, that the biggest challenges for women to become a better leader is society's point of view. Well, I'm not talking about Bangladesh or any subcontinental. If I'm talking about the most modern country of the world, America, did you know, in the history of America, no women can win an election. Why? Because the people of America didn't want them to win. So this kind of thing we need to change. This kind of thing we need to improve our mindset. And last, take one message from this presentation. Well, the take one message from this presentation is very simple. Honestly, I don't care who can be a better leader. I don't care if women can be a better leader or not. I don't care if men can be a better leader or not. I just only care if you want to be a good leader, and if you have the skill, you can be a better leader. Doesn't matter you are a woman, doesn't matter you are a man, or doesn't matter if you are someone from third person. So that's all for my today's presentation. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I really appreciate that you keep the patient during my presentation. And if you have any question regarding my presentation, you may feel free to ask. I will love to answer. Thank you very much. I'm not 100% agree with this statement, but I do believe that women can be a better leader. Okay, ma'am.
Was so good. Excellent. Who is next? Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning. Today we have a group presentation. Our group name is Folk Together, and we are 2 members. My name is Mohammad Imran Hussain. I am from the weekend field desk, and my flowmate, you will flowmate Rima Akhtar. She is from the 8th desk weekend. So today our presentation topic is fast food advertisement promotion should be banned. It is not fast food should be banned in our society. We just call it promotion so that our people wouldn't must increase about fast food. So how to get people interested on fast food or junk food. So I will be discussing about from where. So first, platform, social media. Social media, we know that today is the biggest platform to catch audience or target customers like Facebook, Instagram, and their web, different kind of web blogs from there. People might be getting expired on junk food. So if you see this kind of advertisement, so you will definitely show your enthusiasm on fast food. So and the second thing is newspaper. So newspaper also a very good way to attract your customers, attract your customers. So when we open like like when you open a new store, you might give a ad on the newspaper. So you can offer something to grab your audience attention. So newspaper is the another way to grab attention on fast food. So this kind of advertisement we want through our presentation should be banned. So and other thing is distribute leaflet or pamphlets. We always see that in front of our schools or after prayers on Friday we see that a lot of people they are distributing leaflets with their hotels or their restaurants foods. Fast food these are very dangerous for our health, and my fellow mates will describe the argument on our topic.
Assalamualaikum everyone, and thanks to my member in that time, give a chance. So I will explain why should be banned and should be fast food banned. So I explain first of all argument one. First of all, fast food adversely children obesity. Fast food adversely children actually targeting children and especially have increased dramatically. At the same time, increased the obesity also has skyrocket. It's difficult. It's difficult between adversity and children obesity. So then second long-term damage. It does long damage individual leading countless diseases. And then third, fast food and functional gastrointestinal disorder. Actually, you are known. Fast food, human body for problem, and then which is the richest 88% suffering with the disease, and then example. Actually, children wear something fast food eat and. Examples. And example then second one, obesity associated with the fast food, high blood sugar, heart problem, high pressure, and etc. Finally, in my point of view, junk food obviously should be banned because effective on society and human body. So that's all for me.
Do you have any questions?